Hi, we are the team conformed by Ariadna Hernandez, Daniela Wicap, and Argel Ramirez. In this podcast, I'm the host, and we are going to talk about the topic called animals. Welcome, our special guest, Daniela Wicap. The first question is, do you think it is important to look after animals? And why?
Well, yes. Actually, I think that it is important to look after animals because they are leaving behind at the end of everything and we must see for them.
Yes, and I think that the animals are uh, living beings just like us, and they have to be cared with uh, with the attention that they deserve, as the humans deserve it. And well, going to the second question, do you think some animals are like kind of more important than other animals?
Yes, I think that on some occasions, for example, with animals in danger of extinction, we have to be more careful with them and try to take care of them from certain dangers as well.
And well, the third question is, what can people do to take better care of animals?
Well, I think that we as people should stop polluting the green areas where the animals live, and maybe that way we will help to take care of them. I think there are many other ways, but I definitely think that will be a good idea.
Yes, it is a good point what you said. Um, Animals in danger of extinction are like like animals that we have to take care more than the other animals, because animals in danger of extinction are like in the limit that they can disappear of the world, and it is really sad if they can't be saved of this danger. So we have to take care more of that animals. And the last question is, have you ever seen a dog that helps people, such as one to assist a blind person or a policeman?
Yes, I have sometimes seen dogs help people with disabilities or people with anxiety on streets or in some places.
Yes, of course, yes. There are too many dogs, I think, in the street helping the humans that are like a kind of situation in their lives. And I think that is really good, it's really happy. See dogs in the street helping the people. I think that is really amazing. And also we can see here that animals can be a really good company, as the dogs that are a really good example of that the animals can be really good for humans, that the dogs helps people in the streets. And also in the police, there are too many dogs that helps the police catch the thieves in the streets. That was our first special guest. Thank you, Daniela Wicap, to being with us in this podcast. We have the second special guest of today. That is Argel Ramirez, and we will ask the same questions but with another opinions of the part of our special guest, Argel Ramirez. Well, the first question is, do you think it is important to look after animals, and why?
I think that yes. The protection of animals is not limited to domestic animals. Each living being has an important position on the planet because they help maintain balance.
Yes, of course, animals are really important in the planet. They are part of the ecosystem in the world. Well, the second question is, do you think some animals are more important than others?
I think so because several are more important in their ecosystem. For example, bees.
Oh, yes, you are in the way of thinking that the animals are more important if they produce some resources to the humans. For example, you say bee, so I think that is because they produce the honey. Well, the third one question says, what can people do to take better care of animals?
Take care of the ecosystem and put laws that prohibit poaching, hunting, and harming animals.
Yes, it's really right that we have to take care of the ecosystem of the entire world, and of course, more direct, take care a lot of the animals. And well, the last question is, have you ever seen a dog that helps people, such as want to assist a blind person or a policeman?
In real life, no, but in several videos, yes, and there we can appreciate how important they are.
Well, that's a good point too. There are too many videos where we can see dogs helping people, but I really sure that there can be dogs in the real life that helps people in the streets. Maybe no like dogs specialized in helping blind persons or a police, but there can be pets that can help their owners with different things, or if their owners are blind, or if their owner is a police, they can be really different situations in the real life where dogs are really useful to help the people, and I think that dogs are a really good animals. They are really loyal. Well, it was all in the podcast of today, and thank you to our guests of the day. This was Ariadne Hernandez. See you in the next podcast.